Hi guys, so today we'll learn how to make this multiple sheet fully customized and super easy. As you see here, you have this, you can just drop down to dismiss or tap of this X mark, and you can dismiss also like this. As you see, when you tap on this, dismiss. So I have created this three different view just to save time. So first thing we need to add a new sheet package from the GitHub. I will leave a link to in description. We're going to package, so I need the state and button to sheet to another view. So I create a button. To add this sheet modifier, just model. You can customize the size, color, and we'll do this later. So let's start with a simple one. And we need to add the view one. I will add the view one. But first I will give it some color so we can see it easily. The current save area to the color to fill all screen. As you see here is when you tap on a button is not working. Wait a second. You need to run the app to see the action, and we need one more thing to add the model stack so you can use this sheet. All you do just model stack and you add your main view or your home view. That is. So let's run this app and see it. And you see you have also come with a dismiss button. You can dismiss this also like this. And now I will add the same to the other view so we have multiple sheets. Here's a view 2. As you see here, you have the nice animation in the background here. So now I will delete the Z stack for the first view, and we can use this another things here. You have here the size. You have small, medium, large. We start with small. And the corner ratio, I will start maybe 5, give it a small one. And background, right? And this one is for dismiss model. we have two different type of dismiss. So let's start with this one, and if you want to see view one, as you see here on view one is no z stack, no color, nothing, but here we give it background red. You see this, we choose small with the 5 rectangles. So you see the other view, and if you do it like this X icon, you can just change to other one, and let's do with this also 30. I'll change this to medium. This one, as you see, you can drag from anywhere to dismiss, and if you want a custom height, you can use height and give it, maybe let's do it 200. You can tap dismiss or just drag it down. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope this helped you.